guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ACG MOUNTAIN Gore-Tex. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you, and let's go. So today we've got a look at the ACG MOUNTAIN Low Gore-Tex in Hazel Rush black khaki colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's a European 42 and it's a European 8.5. Oh no, forgive me, it's a US 8.5. For those that don't know, ACG is Nike's department where they make everything for all conditions geared. So this is built for whatever weather. This is built for hiking, trail running, outdoors. It's all that kind of adventure that you can find on planet Earth. Here is the MOUNTAIN Gore-Tex. So this is one of their newest trail runners. It incorporates some of the newest technologies that Nike has to offer, yet still having that retro ACG feel, you know, that you can traverse through anything with these sneakers on. So let's start with the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got that trail frame that you will see on other trail runners. You can see heavy lugged. You can see the little spikes that come out of the lugs here as well. Right there. Obviously built for the traction. Any slippages, it will try and prevent you from slipping. And it is proper made just for all conditions, like ACG stands for. Moving on onto the midsole unit. So this midsole unit uses Nike's React technology. So we're pretty great because we've used it for a ton of our running sneakers and we've done tons of reviews. I run in the Air Pegasus that uses React technology. Jeff uses the Fly React knits. I think I got that right. Check those reviews out. We love and applaud Nike when it comes to React technology. Great use of energy return. Moving along onto the upper. So this upper is made out of synthetic materials, yet it is lined with Gore-Tex. With a Gore-Tex lining, I mean. So that Gore-Tex lining is there to help you be dry. Because obviously this is built for running through mud. At the end of the day, you don't want any wet. You don't want your feet to get damp. That's what the Gore-Tex is here for. You can see it around the sneaker. Right there, the lining as well. It's like raised plastics as well. And the upper material again is in the khaki colorway, complemented with the orange rope laces. You've got the orange on the ACG as well. You can faintly see it as well right here on the heat plastics that's pressed on. But it says message that all conditions geared, or ACG stands for, and it, get it right, all conditions geared. Gear designed, tested and made on planet Earth for outdoor use. So again, it's just pretty self-explanatory, the sneakers. The rope lacing feature is pretty different because you've got it all around the sneaker. So it's not just situated at the tongue. It is from the lateral side right here to the medial side, connected by the heat pressed plastic that's on the lateral medial side, forgive me. And it's just hooked on this loop here as well. Pretty much you just slip your feet in. I don't think you should really tie these. Can you tie these up? Yeah, you can tie them up, but I don't think that it's going to be much use personally. Around the heel unit, so you've got the Gore-Tex logo right there just to show that these sneakers are Gore-Tex lined. Pull tab at the heel as well. Something I didn't mention, but on the inner, so here on the insole, it's plastic, so synthetic materials, but you got the fly plate. It is a stromal board fly plate and it's there for your cushioning on the underside of your feet, just to complement the like React on the midsole. And around the tongue area, you've got the ACG logo. Again, it has designed, tested and made on planet Earth, all on the inside. Can't wait to try these on. We've done tons of trail running sneakers on the past. Something I did forget to mention, so if you look at this outsole, it extends all the way to the toes. It's there to help prevent abrasion, much to like a lot of trail running sneakers that we've done in the past before. One comes to mind is the New Balance Trail Runner, but here it's different. You can see the spikes as well that are similar to the ones in the outsole, and you got the Nike swoosh right there. Can't wait to try these trail runners on. Obviously, with it being an ACG, I'm kind of biased because I do like my ACG products. All that said, roll that footage of me trying these Mountain Flies on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I, being in the UK, size 7.5, toes are where they need to be. It was a struggle to get these on because they're like a neoprene sock at the end of the day, but the React on these bad boys, you can feel it. Very comfy on the underside of my feet. I'm going to be doing a lot of long walks with these on, especially if we're going to be doing this in like the woods or a lot of woodland areas. This is a must. These are very comfy, a bit breathable as well. The laces, I don't think they're necessary. They're a very nicely decorative piece, I guess. Complements the green, but don't really need them. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.